In order to keep these videos short, I'm going to choose to do a couple of tools at a time. Today I would like to talk about the select feature, the pen, the highlighter, the eraser, and the text. All of these tools can be used if you have a projector and you download ActivInspire. However, they do work a lot better with an actual Promethean board, especially the pen, because the pen has to be calibrated to the board and communicate, so there's a little bit of a delay. And if you are using your mouse pad to do the writing, then it's very difficult to make the small movements needed to make neat handwriting, which I warned my students about whether I'm using the mouse pad or whether I'm using the pen and the Promethean board. So by clicking on the pen, you can start writing whatever you choose to do. Every morning I start with a morning meeting, and so I use ActivInspire in order to write my morning message. And so I would use a Promethean board and the pen that comes with it in order to write my message. However, today I am using the mouse pad, so my handwriting will not be as neat as usual. So you start writing. It is not necessarily necessary to push any buttons unless you're using the mouse pad. As I said, it is very difficult to have neat handwriting. You can also change the color to whatever you would like to do. Today is April 9th. You can also decide to use the text feature to write messages. Line it up with wherever you would like to get it. Type out your message and then make sure that it's on each of the lines. I do not type my messages to my students. However, if I am doing an anchor chart where I know I'm going to keep it for another mini lesson, I will type everything out. You can also use a highlighter feature, which is exactly like a highlighter that you would use to highlight a book. Line it up with the word you would like to highlight and drag it over the word. The eraser works exactly the same way. Drag it over what you would like erased, and it's gone. The select feature will let you select the paper that you're writing on. It lets you select parts of what you have already on your screen. These are a few of the tools that you would use when you first start using a Promethean board, and so they are the first one that I'm going to do. Please stay tuned for other videos with the more advanced tools.